He's alive, but he's not moving. That's, oh, look.
Oh, he's doing stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He just winked at us.
And that's good lighting, too. I'm getting better lighting today than usual. Oh, the guys are going crazy on the radios today.
That makes me wonder, how do the parameciums communicate with one another?
Postcards. They're still,
Postcards.
yeah, they're not connected to the web. Yeah.
As far as we know. I mean, look how long it took for them to discover that elephants were using their feet and communicating through the ground.
Well, with that the low. I've always wanted to go up to an elephant and talk to it.
Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute. Let me run that through the translator.
This is neat.
Apparently your left bicuspid is sore today.
I guess he is right where we need him, that's all.
He does interesting things just sitting there, because there's
Look
stuff
at that.
in the middle of it
Oh, yeah.
that's like, what is it doing? Digesting things? Look at it. It's all moving around in there.
This is the highest resolution I can see. We're beginning to see pixels. But let me move them over a little bit. Come on. Whoa, whoa, this is not easy to do. Come on.
I wonder if he feels like his stomach is rumbling.
See the pixels? See, we're up at 400%. So you're losing some of the sharpness. But by golly, that's not too bad, huh? It's
No.
an absolutely clear looking drop of water, except for the speck of dust that, let me see if I can pull them down just a bit. There we go. That's about the best I can do, but I'm going to drop down to sharpen it a little bit, drop back down to 200.
Could that piece that's been moving be an external mouth part of some sort? Or would that be more likely in the head?
I think we're looking into the interior of the creature, because if I pull out, we're up around the top edges of them. If I drop down with now we're focused on the middle of him, and now we'll go past that, and you get out of focus again because we're down near the bottom of him. The mouth part, I think, is up at 1-2 o'clock there.
Right.
I think that's the mouth, but that might be. It just looks like it. That's not the tail that has the material that lets it stick to surfaces. Are you seeing my cursor?
Yes.
Okay, well then that I should use that. I don't know if this is the mouth down here. And the reason I think it's not is because I think this is the internal jaw. It sucks in, in the other illustration or in the other examples they've shown that when the food comes in, it's actually masticated by a jaw. No, by golly, I think the mouth is the other end, because it looks like he's really anchored with this. This part looks like the anchor, so I'm I'm backwards. But it's a good morning.
Yeah, this is I mean, it's low on plot, but
Yeah, the cast is simple and the plot is easy. But look at all the stuff going on inside. Golly gee, this is what I wanted. All right, I'm going to risk it and change lighting just slightly to see if I can make any changes in the quality here. I'm focusing the light. I'm not actually changing the light source. There's a lens that rises and lowers and sort of focuses the light source onto the slide. And that looks like the best I can do with that. Now I could actually move the light, but I think it's at its optimum. I'm not going to mess with it. My quality is not network quality like some of the guys on YouTube, but look at all the stuff happening inside this little nothing. Little piece of nothing. You can't even see it. And it has all of these instructions going on inside it. I think this is the mouth. And we're looking at the tail bent over and away from the camera onto the bottom of the slide. And I'll try to drop the focus lower and lower and lower and see. Yeah, you see, I'm down below the level. You see how where my cursor is? It's still in focus. That's because it's gone over the edge and down away from the lens. And I'm following it down, and then I get to the bottom of the slide. That's where all these little bacteria are. So its tail is stuck. And the body is here, and the mouth, I believe, is down here. And this might be something of the digestive energies. This is what I was hoping I would be able to do with the camera, and these are your samples. This is you.
Because I'm filming this, let's make sure everyone realizes my samples are moss samples that I took from my yard.
Yes.
Not from me. They're not my samples. This thing isn't, as far as I know, I don't have any of these growing on me.
Oh, yes, you do.
Oh, well, I suppose. I don't know if the ones I have eat moss, though. Yeah, I'm sure I would be.
Yeah, I don't know if it's this creature either, but this looks like a rotifer to me. Although there's not a lot of activity there, but now we found that the configuration with the tail and the body and the mouth and all is a rotifer. Pretty good, and she's in one place. Now we'll pull the focus way up toward the top of the pile of the thickness of the water we're gone. Now, at some point we should hit, there's the top of the glass. That's the top of the glass that is covering the water sample, that as we go deeper into the sample, that's where we find, we got active. Definitely.
He's hunting. Whoa! There he went. He just headed into Canada, I think.
We lost him, but we had him for a while. Well, fascinating.
It is.